When exploring less expensive alternatives to square D circuit breakers and panels, several brands offer a balance of affordability and acceptable performance. Siemens Eaton 100 is known for its reliability, durability, and affordable pricing, making it the strong contender in this category. Eaton BR provides a similar balance of quality and affordability, often featuring comparable features to the Siemens Eaton 100 line. Hobart breakers are another option, recognized for their low cost while still adhering to industry standards. THQL offers a budget-friendly choice with solid performance and a basic set of features. Cutler hammer type BR breakers are another budget-conscious selection, although it is crucial to be aware that these have been discontinued by the manufacturer and may not be universally available. Moreover, some users find their design less intuitive and the click can sound softer compared to premium breakers. When suggesting these less expensive brands, carefully consider the situation. Firstly, if a customer is working with a limited budget and prioritizes cost savings over advanced features, these brands can be a suitable choice. Secondly, for smaller projects where the potential cost savings outweigh any trade-offs in quality, these alternatives might be appropriate. Thirdly, if the customer isn't overly concerned with the long-term lifespan or warranty coverage of the breakers, then a less expensive option may suffice. However, it is essential to exercise caution and maintain transparency with your customers. Firstly, clearly explain the differences in quality and features between the higher-end brands and the less expensive alternatives. Secondly, emphasize that while these budget-friendly options can save money initially, they might lead to increased maintenance or replacement cost over time. Thirdly, always stress the importance of safety and encourage customers to prioritize the quality and reliability of the electrical products they choose. Choosing the right circuit breaker panel is a critical decision for any electrical system. The panel serves as the central distribution point for electricity throughout a building, protecting circuits from overloads and short circuits. While more expensive brands like Square DQO are known for their quality and reliability, several less expensive alternatives offer a balance of affordability and performance. Siemens Eaton 100 panels are a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and durable option without breaking the bank. These panels are known for their robust construction, ease of installation, and a wide range of available circuit breaker types. Siemens Eaton 100 panels typically meet or exceed industry standards, providing adequate protection for most residential and light commercial applications. Eaton BR panels provide a similar balance of quality and affordability. They offer a range of features comparable to Siemens Eaton 100, including easy installation and a variety of circuit breaker options. Eaton BR panels are often preferred for their compact design, making them suitable for installations where space is limited. Hobart breakers are specifically designed for cost effectiveness while maintaining essential safety standards. These breakers are a good choice for budget-conscious projects where basic circuit protection is the primary concern. However, it is essential to note that Hobart breakers may not offer the same level of advanced features or durability as more expensive brands. THQL panels offer a budget-friendly option with solid performance and a basic feature set. These panels are suitable for residential applications where cost is a significant factor. THQL panels are generally easy to install and maintain, making them a popular choice among homeowners and contractors. Cutler hammer type BR breakers were once a popular budget-friendly option, but they have been discontinued by the manufacturer. While some existing installations may still use these breakers, they are becoming increasingly difficult to find. It is generally not recommended to install new Cutler hammer type BR breakers due to their limited availability and potential for compatibility issues. When recommending less expensive panel brands, it is crucial to consider the specific needs and priorities of the customer. Firstly, if the customer is on a tight budget and prioritizes cost savings over advanced features, a less expensive brand may be the best option. Secondly, for small projects where the cost savings justify the potential trade-offs in quality, a less expensive brand may be suitable. Thirdly, if the customer is not concerned with the longevity or warranty of the breakers, a less expensive brand may be acceptable. However, it is essential to be transparent with customers about the differences in quality and features between the more and less expensive brands. Firstly, explain that while less expensive brands may save money upfront, they could potentially lead to more maintenance or replacement costs in the long run. Secondly, emphasize the importance of safety and encourage customers to consider the quality and reliability of the products they choose. When selecting a circuit breaker panel, it is essential to consider several factors, including the size of the electrical system, the number of circuits required, and the anticipated load. It is also important to ensure that the panel meets all applicable safety codes and standards. A qualified electrician can help you determine the appropriate size and type of panel for your specific application. In addition to the brands mentioned above, several other less expensive panel brands are available on the market. These brands may offer similar features and performance at a lower price point. However, it is essential to research and compare different brands before making a decision. Read online reviews, talk to other electricians, and consider the reputation of the manufacturer. Ultimately, the best circuit breaker panel for your needs will depend on your specific requirements and budget. By carefully considering the factors discussed above, you can make an informed decision and choose a panel that provides reliable and safe electrical protection for your home or business. Circuit breakers are essential components of any electrical system, protecting circuits from overloads and short circuits. When selecting circuit breakers, it is crucial to consider the amperage rating, voltage rating, and interrupting capacity. The amperage rating indicates the maximum amount of current that the breaker can safely carry. The voltage rating indicates the maximum voltage that the breaker can safely handle. The interrupting capacity indicates the maximum amount of fault current that the breaker can safely interrupt. Circuit breakers are available in various types, including standard thermal magnetic breakers, ground fault circuit interrupters, and arc fault circuit interrupters. Standard thermal magnetic breakers are the most common type and provide basic overload and short circuit protection. Ground fault circuit interrupters protect against electrical shock by detecting ground faults. Arc fault circuit interrupters protect against fires caused by arcing faults. When installing circuit breakers, it is essential to follow all applicable safety codes and standards. Turn off the power to the circuit before working on it. Use insulated tools to prevent electrical shock. Ensure that the breakers are properly sized for the circuits they protect. Test the breakers after installation to ensure that they are working correctly. Regularly inspect circuit breakers to ensure that they are in good working condition. Look for signs of damage such as cracks, discoloration, or corrosion. If you notice any damage, replace the breaker immediately. Test the breakers periodically to ensure that they are tripping properly. By following these tips, you can ensure that your circuit breakers provide reliable and safe electrical protection for your home or business. Remember to consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about electrical safety. Choosing a less expensive breaker or panel does not mean sacrificing safety. It simply requires a more informed decision-making process considering the specific application and potential trade-offs. By understanding the differences between brands and being transparent with customers, you can provide cost-effective solutions without compromising safety or reliability. When working with electrical systems, safety is paramount. Always follow proper safety procedures and consult with a qualified electrician if you are unsure about anything. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is essential to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. Firstly, always turn off the power to the circuit you are working on before starting any work. Use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off. Secondly, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and insulated gloves. Thirdly, use insulated tools to prevent electrical shock. Never work on electrical systems when you are tired or distracted. Pay attention to what you are doing and take your time. If you are not comfortable working on electrical systems, hire a qualified electrician. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By following these tips, you can help prevent electrical accidents and injuries. Remember to stay informed about electrical safety and to take all necessary precautions when working with electrical systems.